On the Emirates.
Dito pa naman oh. Dito pa naman tayo.
Now the veteran mo, okay. First basket or ball. Rebound on Kabusi. Kabusi to Camus. Stop up. Kabusi to Simbako. Yes! On Simbako! 2-0. 2-point lead now on Emirates. Wonder Boy, fake. Looking for the veteran. Stop up. 14 to shoot. Still by Simbako. Kabusi now. Kabusi, pop. What a pass. Yes! What a selfish pass coming from Camus to Gomez. Veteran. Bang! An easy shot by the veteran. 4-2. 2-point lead on Emirates. Gomez. Kabusi. First basket. Too strong. Rebound on Simbako. Camus. 14 to shoot. Turnover against Emirates. 8 minutes 20 seconds. Our score 4-2 favor of the Emirates. The Wonder Boy now. Wonder Boy. Pass to the veteran.
Wagong short ka. Not short ni Del Santos.
Oh! Gomez! 6-2. 4-point lead now by Emirates. Mondelo. Veteran. Guarded by Camus. 14 to shoot. Same spot. Easy shot. Too strong. Rebound by Gomez. Kabusi now. Short. Pass to Domingo. Rebound by Simbako. Block. Foul. Foul on number 15 ng Modelo. First team foul on Emirates 4.
Si Modelo.
7-2. 5-point lead on Emirates. 8-2. 6-point lead on Emirates. It's a battle of 5 against 20. The veteran now. Fake. Veteran move. Biner. Pass to Modelo. Modelo fake. 14 to shoot. Back to the veteran. 10 to shoot. Easy jump on the veteran. Load. Gomez. Stop pump. Too strong. Rebound on Simbako. Simbako again. Simbako 14 to shoot. Pass to Gomez. Gomez skate. Gomez side step. Simbako. Yes, on Simbako. Pass coming from Gomez. Now to Wonder Boy. Pass to the veteran. Veteran move now. Veteran stop up. Pull jumper. Bang, 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 bang. On the veteran load. 10-7. Back to 3-point lead on Emirates. Gomez. Looking for Camus. Camus coming from Modelo. Back to Gomez. Gomez drive. Side step. Pass to same spot. Block behind. Rebound against Simbako. Simbako. Back-to-back shot coming from Simbako. 12-7. 6 minutes.
Lapit!
14 to shoot. The veteran. Nice pass. Biner. Block by Simbako. Domingo. It's 4-2. Domingo now. To Kabusi. Wow, the giant Kabusi! Still by Camus. Camus now. Kabusi again, the giant, back to back by the giant! 14, 16-7.
Still 7.
Wow, the veteran, only 1 point, that's all 9 points coming from the veteran. Gomez. Gomez now. Looking for the giant Cabuse. Pass to Camus. Back to Camus. 10-14 to shoot. 14. Giant. Tap by the Wonder Boy now. Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy stop. Guarded by Gomez. Looking for Pinir. Wonder Boy run. Wonder Boy pump. Wonder Boy.
Last shot!
Blocked by the board by the Wonder Boy. Gomez. Nice pass. Simbaco pick. Wow! Simbaco! 18 to 9 now. 8-point lead. 9-point lead on Emirates. Wonder Boy. To Modelo. Too strong. Rebound. Nice pass. Wow, short. Rebound on Domingo. 4 minutes turning time. 4 minutes. 18 to 9. 9-point lead on the Emirates.
Pirator ka pala rito mo eh. Assassin.
The Giant. Domingo. Short. Oh, the Wonder Boy. Nice pass. Ow! Basket count and one on the veteran Laoud. Ball on number 8. Domingo. First on Domingo. First person on first team ball on Emirates. All 11 points coming from the veteran Laoud. 18 to 11. 18 against 11. 12-18. Camus. Domingo. Back to Camus. Gomez. Fake. Guarded by the Wonder Boy. Camus. To the Giant. Oh! Hesitate against the Giant. 3 minutes. 18 to 12. Only 6-point lead by Emirates. The Wonder Boy. Smiling Wonder Boy. Pass to the veteran. Bang! All the shots. Veteran to the veteran. Abusi. Blocked by the veteran. Wonder Boy. To the veteran. Drive. Pass to Modelo. Block. Oh, Camus. 2 minutes 40 seconds. Domingo. Stop, pump. Too strong. Domingo again. Domingo. Again too strong. Gomez. Cabusi. Yes on the Giant Cabusi. 2 minutes 20 seconds. 20 to 14. Load. Nice pass outside. Modelo. Too strong. Rebound on Simbaco. Now Camus. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. First basket on Gomez. Short. Rebound on the veteran. That's good. Still left. Wonder Boy. Is late. Too strong. Wonder Boy again. Wonder Boy. Pass. Pass to the veteran. Smooth move by the veteran. Laoud. 1 minute 50 seconds. Only 4-point lead on the Emirates. Gomez. To Simbaco. Giant 10 to shoot. 10. Oh, the veteran 18 to 20. Yes, on Simbaco. 22-18. 1 minute. Lead. Black. Modelo. 14 to shoot. 14. Veteran. Fake. 5 to shoot. Air ball. 40 seconds. 40. giant now. Brother Pinir. To Gomez. Yes! Don Gomez! 24-18. 6-point lead now on Emirates. Pinir. Looking for Modelo. Airball. Rebound ng Kabusi. 15 seconds. Ow! Basket count on one of Domingo. Coming from pass to the Giant Kabusi. 26-18. Foul on number 15 on Modelo. 13 foul on Netox 4. 8 seconds. 8. 27-18. Second on Modelo. Ling. And for
Ikay ko mga dali. Halo. Ha? Madto ka dili dili?
Ako, ma-refer ka po. Telepon, para mabahaw.
Rebound ni Ling.
Ako na lang yung
The veteran. Her ball. Rebound ng Modelo. Back to Wonderboy. Wonderboy! Bang! Bang, 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 bang! On to Wonderboy! La Piguera. Guard with the Wonderboy. Fake, stop, pop. La Piguera. Out, too strong. Rebound on the veteran load.
Ayaw kumpiyansa.
Veteran now. A score. 21-27. Whoa! What a shot! 23 against 27. 4-point lead now on Emirates. Diaz. Wow! On Diaz. Nabigay na muscle man. Diaz! Load. Stop up. Load. Ah, you move. Load. Skate. Coast to coast. Whoa! I move from Emirates again. 31-23. Load now. Stop up. Load. Pull out jump. Too strong. Rebound by Diaz. Diaz now. Diaz. Guard by Pinir. Diaz. To Yao. Yao. Javier. Javier. Favorite shot. Javier. Long 2. Long 3. Too strong. Rebound on Lim. Lim. The veteran, Lim. Still by Yao. Yao, pass to Lara. Lara now in the ball game. Lara, it's 2-2. La Piguera, stop up, pull a jumper. La Piguera, 33-23. 10-point lead now on Emirates. 8 minutes. Ah, still on Javier. La Piguera. La Piguera. Shot. La Piguera again. Whoa, La Piguera. 35-23 now. 12-point lead on Emirates. Nice pass to Biner. Yes, unselfish pass. Coming from the veteran to Biner. 35-25. 10-point lead now on Emirates. The master man, Diaz. Diaz to foul. Foul on number 15, Modelo. Third personal foul on number 15, Modelo. First team foul on Epic score. Short. Wonderboy now. Wonderboy drive. Wonderboy first layup. Oh, there's pass foul.
number 7.
Foul on Yao. First on Yao. First team foul. Emirates. Wonderboy. Too strong. Rebound on Diaz. Diaz to La Piguera. La Piguera. Nice move. Wow! Dancing Queen. La Piguera again. Rebound on veteran. Load. Nice fake. In and out. Rebound on Diaz. Diaz now. Diaz all the way. Diaz. Veteran. Pass to Modelo. Fake. Modelo. Escape. Block. Lapiguera to Javier. All alone. Javier. Time out on FX4. Score now. Score 39-25. 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Here comes our cheering squad from FX4. Welcome to our guest cheering squad, FX4. 14 to shoot. Okay. Modelo, 10 to shoot. Too strong. Yes, on Lim. 27-39, back to 12-point lead on Emirates. Lau Yao. Foul. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy. Second team foul, FX4. 2 free throw shot awarded by Yao. Five minutes, 13 seconds. Top by the veteran. Lim now, Lim. Lim to Wonder Boy. Pass outside, Modelo. Block! By Javier. Lapiguera. It's 3-on-2. Lapiguera to Diaz. Yes, on the big guy, Diaz. Lim now. It's 5-on-2, 4-on-2. The veteran left hand, the veteran alone. Javier, fake, Javier. Yes, on the daddy, Javier. 43-29. On a great move from Emirates. 4 minutes, 28 seconds. 43-29. Still favor of Emirates. Binir. Still again on Emirates. Daddy Javier. Daddy. Pass to Lapiguera. Nice defense on him. 4 minutes. 43 against 29. Score. Wonder Boy. Pass to the veteran. Oh, fake. It's a fake. Guarded by Yao. 1-on-1 by Yao. 1-on-1 by Yao. The veteran has fake. Drive. To Biner. To Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy fake. 14 to shoot. Short. Rebound again the veteran. Nice pass outside. Yes, on Biner. Lapiguera. Guarded by the Wonder Boy. Still on Lim. Lim now. It's 3-2. Lim to the veteran. Timeout on Emirates.
Wala nyo!
Taluyan naman ni Kulit.
Wala ako, pagatang lang. Laki lang naman ko.
Diaz. Wow! Diaz! It's 9 against Maltese 5. FX4. Load. Bang! On load. The veteran 36-45. Now 9-point lead on Emirates. Stepping on the line on Emirates. Turnover on Emirates. Short. Binir. Fake. Short again. Binir again. To Wonder Boy. Short. Rebound on Diaz. Lara. Yes, on Magic Lara. 47-36. Back to 11-point lead on Emirates. Wonder Boy. To the veteran. Load. Steve. 14 to shoot, 14. 2 minutes. 10. Modelo. Ow!
Technical! Disconcerting!
Technical foul on number 15 for scoring. Diaz. Technical free throw given by FX4.
Number 15?
It's number 15, you, Diaz.
14 sir, 14.
Ha?
Red 15. Emirates ball, Emirates.
Kuya.
Isa lang. Technical.
Score nga, sumigaw ka.
Sinong technical?
Ikaw lang, sumigaw ka rin. Huwag kang sumigaw.
Bastos! Kabila!
Veteran, 47-36. 14 to shoot, 14. Red ball, rebound on Diaz. To the Magic Lara. Magic now, stop up, pull on jumper. To strong, rebound on Benir. 1 minute, 20 seconds, 47 to 36. Lim, Kalibayao. To Wonderboy, back to Lim, stop up, Lim drive, foul. Foul on Diaz. Second team foul on Emirates, second personal foul against Diaz.
Isa pa lang ako.
Dalawa mo.
Bang on low, the veteran. 39-47. Yow. Yes on Yow. 49-39. 10-point lead now on Emirates. 50 seconds.
Gandaan nyo yung depensa. Gandaan nyo.
14 to shoot. Benir. Lim. 10 to shoot. Wow, the defense coming from Diaz. 30 seconds. The muscle man, Diaz. Still again, Javier. Daddy Javier. 53 to 39. 15 seconds. 10.
Nice!
5 seconds. And ang power second quarter score 55 to 39 favor of Emirates.
Tuloy mo na yan!
Third quarter. Our next game will be quarterfinal match against USD versus NU Bulldogs.
Ito naman ang memersa niya.
Tira mo, Efrem!
Ayun na!
Rebound on the Giant Kabusi.
Bebe, patawagin mo nga sa cellphone. Entry siya. Patawagin mo siya ha.
In and out. Rebound on the veteran. Wow! Rebound on Modelo. Short. Gomez to Simbaco. Giant. To Ibrahim. Oh, Ibrahim!
Puta, sayang yung kayo dito mamaya. Chicken ko.
Veteran. Pass to the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. Bang! On the Wonder Boy. 42 against the 62.
Kapit!
Ramos.
3 point!
Ibrahim.
Tira mo! Yun o! Oh! Konting talon pa! Oh,
Rebound on the veteran.
Isang palo.
Veteran now. Stop. Drive. Wow, the veteran load. 44 to 62. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Giant. Ibrahim. Camus. Too strong. Rebound on Gomez. Short. All rebound on 1-1. Isiday. Attempt. Fourteen to shoot. 14. Still on Ibrahim. Camus. Camus. Yo-yo move. Camus. 64 to 44. 4-20 point lead now against Emirates.
Travel.
Wow, the veteran load. Oh, steal by Wonderboy. Wonderboy. Stop pump. Too strong. Rebound ng Camus. Giant again. Smiling Giant. Too strong. Rebound on Simbaco. Giant. Pass to Gomez. Ow! In and out. Lim. Now the veteran load. 46-64. Short. Rebound on the Wonderboy. Six minutes 41 seconds. Ibrahim. Reganon now, Reganon. Ross. Ross to Kabusi. Air ball. Rebound on the veteran. To Lim. Intercept on Ross. Ross now. To Camus. Off and jump. In and out. Rebound on Simbaco. Short. Veteran now, veteran. 6 minutes. Modelo, first basket. Yes! On Modelo, 48 to 64. Wow, the Giant Kabusi. 66 to 48. 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Our next game, quarterfinal game, NU versus UST. Yes, on, come on, 68-48, 20 point lead now. Oh, Stephen Ross.
Still.
Ross.
Overspeeding.
6'5" yung nakaharang na. Yun o.
Bang on the veteran low. 68 to 51. Giant Kabusi. Left hand shot, too strong. Rebound on Modelo.
Sab kami kay Kabusi. Okay! Uy.
Substitution rep, sub. Sub, Simbaco out, Simbaco.
Ikaw na pwede, di ako pwede. Yung may mga hindi nakalaro lang. Okay na, di ba sila? Ready! Kala nila, anip kayo. Ha? Kala nila, anip kayo.
Ross, 14 to shoot. Short.
Baba.
Lapit.
Veteran. Too strong. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez to Camus.
Ay, grabe!
Yes, Olim! Time out on Emirates!
Sige pare. Teleport.
Sila na po. Kagabi na.
Step up!
Tawagan.
Sumusuko ka yan, hindi ba ito? Good!
Oh! Diaz!
Wala yung banda.
Lim! Wonderboy! Modelo! Too strong! Iba ng Lara, naman di Clara. Yao! Ross! Steve! Steve by Ross! Ross now! Tuyaw! Airball! Modelo! Tulin! Too strong! Diaz Ibon, 3 minutes 20 seconds.
Diretso na yan! Oh!
Yes on Diaz.
3-5.
Binir. Pass to Wonderboy. 8. Wonderboy. To the veteran. 14 to shoot. 14. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the veteran load. Steve by the Wonderboy. Nice defense on the Wonderboy. 74 to 56. 2 minutes 42 seconds. Third quarter. Next game, our quarter-final game against NU versus UST.
Baba, walang baba to.
Baba.
Walang baba yan, yan na.
14 to shoot. Lee, open jump. Ow, short. Ross,
Alax naman ni boss!
Sige ko naman
too strong. Foul.
Walang foul yun.
Yun talaga, foul na.
Push forward. All on Lee. First team foul on S4. 2 minutes.
niya. Okay ra siya. Ha?
Naglagan din sila pala.
Kaya bisa sila po ba siya? Tapos ano na yung upa? Pag mo nag-estimate.
Tingin sa kakuhan.
75 to 56, back to 19-point lead on Emirates. Steve Bayaw.
Pare, ito ka natin. Siya nakashoot, siya malag.
Warning on Diaz. Warning Diaz for delaying the game. Warning against Diaz.
O, di ba nakukuha na lang po?
Nakapuntos lang natin. Pupuntos ka ulit.
Fast break eh, no?
Short. Rebound ng Modelo. Steve Bayaw.
Diretso na,
To Diaz.
diretso na, diretso!
Bayaw. Too strong. Rebound on Diaz. Ross. Yes, Sir Ross. 77-56, 1 minute 20 seconds. Steal by the Magic Lara. Lara now.
Sander!
Ay, wow! Grabe naman yun. Lay up to ito.
Modelo. Short. Lim. Yes, Lim. 1 minute.
Relax.
Tuloy, takbo!
Domingo. Airball. Rebound ng Binir. 55 seconds. Load. The veteran. Nice drive. Nice fake. 1-on-1. Boarding. Yes, load. 60 to 77. 40 seconds.
Bigay.
Yes. Ross.
Tira!
30 seconds. Yes, Domingo. 20 seconds.
3 points lang ay.
Dalawa, harap.
15. Was the shot coming from Lim? 10 seconds!
Tira! Patay! Patay!
Patay ang putik eh.
Ayun, stand niya eh.
And after third quarter, our score 7. The veteran. Too strong. Rebound Simbaco. Modelo. Again, in and out. Rebound on Daddy Javier. La Peguera. Camus. Corner shot. Bang shot.
Oh, mahangin, mahangin, mahangin.
Score 78 to 62. Veteran. Side step. Block by Gomez. To Camus. Pass to Gomez out. Pass to Simbaco. Short again. Rebound on Lim. Lim. Lim now. To Wonderboy. Ganir. Laud to Lim. Lim. Escape. Yes! Oh, Lim! 64 to 78. Back to 14-point lead. Emirates. Oh. Daddy Javier. 18 to 64. Load. Fake. Block. Lim. Fake. Left. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. First personal foul on Simbaco. First team foul against Emirates. Our next match will be NU against UST, our quarter-final game. Quarter-final match and do or die game. Nice shot against Lim. 80 to 65. Back to 15-point lead on Emirates. La Peguera. Back to Gomez. La Peguera. Upper jump. 3-point shot. Too strong. Rebound on top. Babiner. Javier. Daddy Javier. 82 against the 65. Modelo. It's 1-on-3. Pass to the veteran. Veteran now move. 6 out. Lim. Lim. Pass outside to Benir. Out! Too strong. Rebound on Camus. 8 minutes. Too strong. Rebound on Simbaco. La Peguera. Yes on Simbaco. Lim now. Lim drive. Left-handed throw. Yes on Lim.
67.
Camus. Pass to Gomez. Too strong. Modelo. 84-67. Out, Daddy Javier. Fake drive. Yes on Daddy Javier. 86 to 67. 19-point lead back to Emirates. 7 minutes. Modelo. Drive. Short. Camus rebound. Oh! Wala mo ba Camus?
Nice one.
Daddy Javier, 88 to 67, 21-point lead now against Emirates. Ow! In and out. Gomez now. Wow! Wala mo ba Gomez? Great shot, great move coming from Mr. Gomez. Camus, 6 minutes 30 seconds.
Sir, 24.
La Peguera.
Mga papawis.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang on La Peguera! 93 to 67. Load. Yes, on the veteran load. 93 to 69. Gomez. Wow! Substitution depth. Gomez out. Gomez. 6 minutes.
Buboy.
14 to shoot. Bang! Long two by the veteran load, 93 to 71. 22-point lead on Emirates. Steve Alim. Modelo. Shot into center, rep, sub.
Pahinga. 5 minutes. Bako!
Time out. On.
Tip quarter mo, 5 naman mo. Himo na tip quarter.
FX more requested, tip quarter tayo tip quarter.
Ah, 5 sila, 5. Gawin natin tip quarter, ha.
Now, Louis. Yao. Diaz, 14 to shoot.
Tayo naman.
Oh, long three by Domingo. 96 again to 71.
Oh, sige! Oh!
14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 15 on Diaz. Our next game will be quarter-final game.
Do or die game against NU.
72 to 96. 73 to 96, 4 minutes 30 seconds. Simbaco, same spot, Domingo. Lim. Pull veteran. Short, Lim now. Yes, Lim.
Ilan na lang yan, bahala kayo. Bigay na. Uy! Good! Doon tayo. Nice assist! Bigay na, goal!
Alone. 77-96, 3 minutes 50 seconds. Domingo. Yes, Don Domingo, nothing but net against Domingo.
Lapit. Nice pass.
Again on the veteran. Load, 79 to 98. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Wonder Boy. Second on the Wonder Boy. Three minutes 25 seconds. Our next game. It's a quarter-final match against NU versus UST. And the winner of the match will advance to the semi-final game against UP. Wonder Boy, Pete. Pass to Lim. Veteran Pete, guarded by Yao.
Bigyan na.
In out, Iban by Lim. Yes, Lim. 81-98, Lara.
Bigyan nyo!
Diaz. Diaz. 100 to 81. 40 to shoot, 14. Domingo. Two minutes 18 seconds, 2 minutes 18 seconds, 19 point lead on Emirates, 100 to 81. Last 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes is brought to you by Quico Cargo. Basketballista. Colors Basketball. And the Wonder Boy. Yes, Olim!
Sila pare. Laman tayo. Ayos pa. Ayos sa pasa. Ayos. Ayos ka, laman tayo. Ayun na, dire.
Diaz. Yao. Iba. Oh, iba na naman, boy. Yao again, Yao. Kick ball. Shot clock, kick ball.
Simbol.
Bola, to.
1 minute, 26 seconds. 1 minute, 26 seconds. Still on Lim.
Ayun na, oh.
Stop, up. Modelo. Ow, yan natin yan. Yes, on the veteran. 85 to 100. 1 minute. Diaz. Yes. Technical foul on Diaz for the game.
Dalawa na, technical niya. Wala na, tanggal na.
Dalawa na. Left.
Dining-digin ba yun? Dalawa.
Now Diaz, 2 technical foul out of the game. 86 to 102. 86 against 102.
Kompleto to.
Iba ng Domingo.
Alam niyo po yan. Pero doon man. Ang nakashow dito.
Yes, on Gomez. 40 seconds.
Hindi yung patabla lang.
Lim. Yes, on Lim. 88 to 104. 30 seconds.
Sa Aliyah, pustahan.
Yes, on Simbako.
20 lang pustahan.
106 to 18. 20 seconds. 15.
Nilalaro ka rin.
10 seconds.
Depensa to. Walang pera to. Ganun dapat ka. Kasi kayo sa taas.
5.